Hello. If we press play, we're running and the animation looks like this. If I press shift, the animation looks the same, but my character's moving faster. And I want to reflect that with the visual elements of the game. Well, this element. I want to reflect that with the running animation, that I'm moving faster. And that's the visual aspect of the game that I want to use to reflect an input functionality that the player will commit. So if I go to the animation, there's a way to change the rate. Animations. Uh, Actually, let's go to player character. Go. See which. I know that I run here. It's sword and shield run. Search for that. We want to control D that. We can duplicate. We can call it player character SS run. I'm going to go into this animation. I'm going to go to asset details. I want to go to rate scale and just make it 2. That's too fast. 1.5. Okay. We go to player character where we have sprint. We play an animation when we sprint. Play animation, player character mesh. We have stamina. I want to play this animation and then set is sprinting to false. The animation I want to play is player character SS run. I want it to be looping. At the end of sprint, I want to determine if I'm running, if I'm walking or idle. So this functionality here is what we use to end our animations. Let's drag, let's grab this and drag this up here. Where we have space, we need space on the bottom for the completed output pin. When we complete the run, I want to see if we're still moving. I want to get this. When we complete the run, if we're moving and true, I want this to be, I think this is sword and shield run. That's correct because that's actually walk. And then if it's false, we're not moving, we can play idle. We don't need to we can do this. I think we could probably just set the animation mode after this. But let's try this. I don't think we need to. We don't need to loop or anything. I just want to see if I'm moving after I let go, and if I'm moving, I keep walking. If I'm not moving, I play animation. Let's check this. I'm walking. Let's add a do once. Let's set this behind the do once. And try it again now. That's the running animation. Walking. It's running, we let it go, we go back to walking. We run and then stop moving. We go to idle. This animation, we have a delay here for 0.25 after a run to reset to deplete the stamina. I want to leave that alone. So let's go back. Now that we've tested this, we can get another do once. After we have stamina, we can get a do once. We can play the animation once. If you don't have stamina, reset the closest do once. Reset that do once. It's not a hard and fast rule to reset the closest do once. It's just that this one wasn't set. This one wasn't reset. So then I do this once, I play the animation, set the speed, and then I do this once. This is to control the triggered tick. And 0.25 it loops. So I think that I would actually like to get a sequence off of true. The sequence I want to do this do once. From false, I would like to reset this. I'd also like to go and go through with the rest of the functionality. At the end of sprint, I want to delay. I want to check how long this animation is. Third character SS run. It's 0.7 long. 0.7 seconds long. Make this 0.7. I type that in with my keyboard and I reset this. So it'll run this, and every 0.7 seconds this will loop. And according to your computer's tick, it will run this first, and then on tick it will run this. And 0.7 seconds is longer than one tick, so this is running almost independently. As long as this triggered is coming down the line and firing the sequence and running this, each one time that it's triggered, it will delay 0.7 seconds and reset this. And when the new tick comes in, if it's been 0.7 seconds, finally this tick can allow this do once to pass, and we play the animation one more time. It's one more time because we only have animation time to play one animation. Let's try this, and let's see what this does. Running. If I run, then restart. So the running works. I want to test the other functionalities. If I attack, then jump and run and attack. I can't run and attack, I think. Let's test. I run and I click attack. I can, kind of. That's interesting. We'll work on that in subsequent videos. Okay, so this was adding just a run animation. So this is walking right now, and this is running. This is walking. We can jump, and when we stop running, we go to idle. Okay, thanks a lot. See you in the next video.